It's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 3008 SUV. This particular one is a GT line with a 1.6 Blue HDI 120 brake horsepower diesel. This has a 6-speed manual gearbox and is in Nera Black. Now, the car was registered 2017 on a 17 plate and has done just over 15,200 miles. This isn't a standard car, I will say. It has also got the advanced grip control system included, which was an option from the factory. So I hope you enjoy the video.